Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to start message writing. We will learn about message writing, how to write a message. Not mobile message, but a message on a paper. Before we learn about message writing, let us learn why there is a need to learn how to write a message on a paper. Suppose you got a message, you got a call from your father's friend, and that message you want to give to your father. Your father is out of the house and he doesn't have the mobile right now. How you will give the message of your father's friend to your father? Obviously, you will write that message on the paper, right? And to write a message on a paper there is a proper format, right? So today we will learn how to write a message on a paper. First we will learn the format, then we will learn learn through two examples, then we will practice the unsolved message writing. So let us start. First, what is message? A message is a precise and informal piece of writing used to convey the information to the person for whom it was intended. Now, अब मैसेज क्या होता है? मैसेज एक प्रिसाइज, एक छोटा सा इनफॉर्मल पीस ऑफ राइटिंग है. राइटिंग पीस है जो आप जिसमें आप इंफॉर्मेशन किसी पर्सन को देना चाहते हो, जिसके लिए वो इंफॉर्मेशन है, राइट? These days, one can easily communicate through a telephone and the SMS services, so the need of a written message is greatly reduced. Still, its importance cannot be ruled out. Um, these days, we are using telephones and mobiles. हम mobiles and telephones यूज़ कर रहे हैं, राइट? मैसेज भी हम एसएमएस के थ्रू आजकल भेजना शुरू कर दिया हमने. इसलिए रिटन मैसेज की जो इम्पोर्टेंस है वो थोड़ी सी कम हो गई है, बट फिर भी हम इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस को बिल्कुल इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते, राइट? समटाइम्स हमको मैसेज लिखना ही पड़ता है, राइट? The information conveyed in the conversation between two people is written in appropriate style and format, converted it into a message for a third person. अब information convey करने के लिए through a message there is a appropriate style and a format. okay? एक proper style है उसका और format है. So that style and that format we will learn today. Before that, important points to remember. Points जो हमें हमेशा याद रखने चाहिए when we are writing a message. Place the message within a box. हमेशा आपने मैसेज जो है वो एक बॉक्स बना के लिखना है. Do not write the address of the sender और द रिसीवर. मैसेज राइटिंग में आपको बिल्कुल भी एड्रेस लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. डू नॉट एक्सीड द वर्ड लिमिट ऑफ 50 वर्ड्स. कभी भी आपका जो मैसेज है वो 50 वर्ड से ज़्यादा का नहीं होना चाहिए. मेंशन द टाइम एंड डेट ऑफ द मैसेज. जब भी हम मैसेज लिखते हैं हमने टाइम और डेट मेंशन ज़रूर करनी है. बिगिन विद अ ब्रीफ सैल्यूटेशन. और जिसके लिए भी मैसेज होता है उसके लिए आपने एक सैल्यूटेशन, अगर आपके पापा के लिए है डियर फादर, मदर के लिए है तो डियर मदर, जिसके लिए भी है सैल्यूटेशन ज़रूर लिखनी है. राइट इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. आपने रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में लिखना है कि आप जिससे बात कर रहे हैं और जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं उसको एज अ थर्ड पर्सन लेके बात करनी है। आगे हम समझेंगे ये कैसे करते हैं। राइट ओनली द असेंशियल पॉइंट, जो ज़रूरी बात है जस्ट वही लिखनी है, डिटेल में नहीं लिखना है। डू नॉट ऐड एनी थिंग ऑफ योर ओन, अपने से आपने कोई भी बात नहीं लिखनी है। यू कैन यूज़ एब्रीविएशंस एंड सिम्बल्स, आप सिम्बल्स एंड शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स वगैरह यूज़ कर सकते हो। डू राइट योर नेम एट द एंड ऑफ द मैसेज, और लास्ट पे आपने अपना नाम लिख देना है। नाउ सी, दिस इज द फॉर्मेट। First you will draw a box, okay, a straight box. Then in capital letters you will write a message, then a date, time, salutation. Then you will write the message in 50 words, and at last you will write the name, your own name. Okay, now let us do one example. Read the telephonic conversation between Mr. Ajit Sharma and Anju. Now this is the conversation between Mr. Ajit Sharma and Anju. Ajit Sharma: hello, is this 2410786? This is the number, telephone number. Hello, is this 2410786? Anju: yes. May I know who is calling? Ajit Sharma: I am Ajit Sharma and I want to talk Mr. Chadda. Anju: Papa is not at home. You can give me the message. Ajit Sharma: tell him that the society meeting has been postponed, and as soon as the new date is fixed, I'll let him know. Anju: all right, I'll convey the message. As Anju has to go out, she writes the message for her father. Now how she write the message, let us see. First she has drawn the box. Then capital letters message, date, left side date, right side time. Papa, Mr. Ajit Sharma rang up to tell you that the society meeting has been postponed and he will let you know the new date as soon as it is fixed. And at last she has written the name. Now the problem is how you will write this message. Okay, now see, here she has used the pronoun he will. Okay, it means she is talking about Mr. Ajit Sharma. Now she is talking to her papa, right? So Ajit Sharma is third person, so that's why she has used the pronoun he. Okay, now see how to write a message. When there is a conversation, see what is the message part of the conversation. Now here, this is the message part of the conversation, what exactly the person has told you to convey, right? Now here he has written, tell him means tell your papa that the society meeting, now underline here, the society meeting has been postponed, and as soon as the new date is fixed, I'll let him know, right? So what you will do, you will write the message like this. Papa, Mr. Ajit Singh rang up, or you can write called up to tell you that This you will write yourself. Mr. Ajit Sharma called up to tell you that. Then you will pick up the line from the conversation that the society meeting has been postponed, and as soon as the new date is fixed. Here Ajit Sharma is speaking, that's why he has written I will let him know. Now you are conveying the message to your papa. You will write he will let you know. Okay? So this way you will complete your message. Okay? This you will write, and that's it. The message is conveyed to your papa, right? Then you will write your name at last, and that's it. So this way you will write the message. Now let us do one more example. Read the telephonic conversation given below. Now this is the conversation between Ramesh and Riya. Ramesh: hello Riya, where is Mama? Riya: she has gone to the kitty party. Ramesh: please tell her that I will bring 2 of my friends for dinner tonight. Riya: fine. Is there anything else she should know? Ramesh: yes, tell her to prepare fish curry. Riya: is that all? Ramesh: yes, bye. Riya has to go to her friend's house, so she writes the message for her mother. Now see here what exactly she has to convey to her mother. There are 2 things she has to say. First is this line, please tell her that I will bring 2 of my friends for dinner tonight, and then tell her to prepare fish curry. Right? Now let us see what she has written. First, draw a box. Write in capital letters the message, date, time, Mama. Now first message is Ramesh will. The message is I will bring 2 of my friends for dinner tonight. Now you are talking to your mother, okay? You will convey the message to your mother. You will write, now here I is Ramesh, right? So you will write Ramesh will bring 2 of his friends for dinner tonight. And then tell her to prepare fish curry. He has asked you to prepare fish curry, and that's it. Okay? For I you will write he or Ramesh. Ramesh will bring 2 of his friends for dinner tonight, and he has asked you to prepare fish curry. And at last you will write your own name. Okay? So this way we write the message writing. So this is all about the message writing. I will give you the link of message writing, and from that message writing link you will practice 2-3 message writing. Their conversation will be given and you will write the message according to the conversation. I hope you all have understood how to write the message writing. So thank you. Have a nice day. Keep learning.